me not to live, just to sit and putter. Life's candy, and the songs are full of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? So I've been in New York about 3 months. Did about 1,000 auditions. Didn't book a Broadway show yet. Booked a couple of things, but they weren't paying the bills. So I got a job at LA's Stardust Diner in Times Square as a singing waitress. I was the only singing waitress with a master's degree in opera. They kind of just threw me in the fire, and at my first table sat none other than Hal Prince, Betty Comden, and Adolph Green, 3 Broadway legends. I was shaken, and I walked up to their table with a big old pot of ice water, and I dumped the entire thing onto Adolph Green's 90-year-old lab. I was mortified. The man was literally breathing dust. He was so old. I did that to him. To top it off, I asked him to pay early and tip out because I was late for audition to the producers. I was fired.